Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make DIY ice cream at home step by step. Gather 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup milk, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 tablespoon vanilla, and an ice cream maker or a freezer-safe container. Start by chilling the bowl and mixing ingredients until sugar dissolves. Pour into the machine or container, churn or freeze, and stir periodically for smoother texture. I'll guide you through timing and flavor tips. Use the right ratios for excellent texture and flavor. 2 parts cream to 1 part milk makes a creamy base without being greasy. Measure sugar and vanilla accurately and taste the mix before freezing. Consider small tweaks like adding 1 tablespoon alcohol to reduce iciness or a teaspoon of corn syrup for body. Keep ingredients cold and pre-chill your equipment to reduce churn time and improve final smoothness. Churning technique matters more than fancy ingredients when it comes to smoothness and scoopability. If using a machine, follow the 20 to 30 minute guideline and freeze quickly after churning to set structure. For no churn, whip cream to stiff peaks, then fold in sweetened condensed milk and your preferred flavorings. Add mix-ins at the end to avoid pulverizing them, and store ice cream in a shallow container for faster firming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.